You've just discovered the best neighborhood in Roseville, and guess what? It's not on Zillow's front page. So where is this fabulous neighborhood? It is Morgan Creek, located in Roseville, California. It's surrounded by quiet streets, mature trees, and neighbors who actually wave. At the center, there's a championship golf course designed by PGA pro Peter Jacobson, one of the longest in the region, with a final hole that's, wait for it, legendary. And just nearby, you have quick access to Topgolf, the Galleria, Whole Foods, lots of shopping, and Denio's, where street tacos and vintage finds live side by side. So what about the schools? Students here attend Creekview Ranch K-8, where outdoor science labs and tech-forward go learning hand in hand. And Oakmont is a local high school, and it delivers high on AP tracks, career programs, and championship-level sports from robotics to baseball. Oakmont is known for its academics and sports. And what about jobs? Locally, you have Kaiser and Sutter, who lead the region's healthcare scene. You also have Hewlett-Packard, where innovation is rooted in Roseville. And the Union Pacific Railroad, well, it's been moving the West Coast economy through the city for over a century. In fact, Roseville, the city, was created around the Pacific Railroad. And Morgan Creek puts opportunity right outside your door and keeps your commute off the freeway. This home, located 8702 Pasatiempo, makes a statement before you even step inside, with a curved stone turret entry that's architectural, iconic, and unforgettable. Inside, vaulted ceilings pull the space upward with natural light that moves throughout the home like it was invited in. The layout, wide open and fully intuitive. The kitchen sits under dual skylights, anchored by a granite tile island and surrounded by custom cabinetry that is functional as it is timeless. Double ovens, deep storage, and a walk-in pantry designed to hold actual groceries, not just one lonely Instapot. Out back, the yard is clean, low maintenance, and fully usable. There's room to lounge, room to entertain. And guess what? There's a private putting green tucked into the landscape. It's fun, it's unexpected, and yeah, it's kind of flex. The home offers two separate garage entrances, one in front, one on the side, so you can load in, roll out, and store smart. It's a kind of layout you didn't know you needed until you have it. And let's go back inside the house. In the primary suite, everything slows. Vaulted ceilings, soft light, and a footprint that gives you breathing room. The bath features a soaking tub, dual vanities, and clean tile lines that calms the space. So here's the real question. Looking back a year from now, what would make you say, I'm so glad we made this move when we did? Morgan Creek offers more than square footage. It gives you space to think in a layout that works.